We are Systema. We realize system design is one of the best indicators of strong engineers, but most companies skip it. It's expensive, it takes hours to grade, and the feedback isn't consistent. As 4 students who love software architecture, we wanted to fix that. We thought, what if AI could handle the entire process consistently, affordably, and at scale? And that's how Systema was made. It recreates the full system design interview but automated. As we can see here, an admin can send a problem to a candidate, just like on HackerRank. The candidate joins a proctored session, designs their system on a live canvas, and interacts with the 11 Labs AI agent that behaves like a real interviewer, asking follow-ups and diving into design decisions. As you can see, the candidate is prompted to agree to the terms and conditions and check all conditions that their camera is enabled and their microphone is enabled.
Hello, welcome to your system design interview. My name is Eric, and as your interviewer, I want to see how you think, handle trade-offs, and communicate your ideas. The conversation is more important than the final diagram. All right, let's begin. I want you to design a URL shortening service like TinyURL. A user gives a very long URL, and we give them back a much shorter, unique URL. Then when any user visits our short URL, they are redirected to the original long URL.
Can you see my diagram?
Yes, I can see your diagram. It currently shows an API gateway connected to a service, which in turn is connected to a SQL database. Could you elaborate on the role of each of these components in your URL shortening service design?
As you can see, the interview has been concluded by the user and it is being graded by our Gemini LLM. During the interview, it is also proctored by Gemini LLM to ensure that the candidate is not cheating. We built Systema using Next.js, TypeScript, React, and Supabase. The canvas sends real-time diagram updates to our 11 Labs agent, and after the interview, the Gemini evaluates the design across 5 dimensions: reliability, scalability, availability, communication, and trade-offs. And this is the results dashboard, giving an overall score of 2 out of 10, as the interview was only 10 seconds long, an AI-generated summary, a radar graph, and suspicion score over time, and then an interview transcript. The hardest part was connecting live canvas data to the 11 Labs agent, as well as the optimizing proctoring so it can analyze frames without lag. But once we got it working end-to-end, seeing the agent respond to a drawing and Gemini produce consistent scores, it felt great. Through all this, we learned how powerful conversational AI can be for technical interviews and how much consistency depends on rubric quality. Next, we want to expand Systema to cover coding and behavioral interviews and add a practice mode so candidates can train and improve. Systema makes system design interviews consistent, scalable, and affordable, and we're excited to keep building the future of technical assessments.